2,000 years later.
Hey guys, XenonZcar here. Well, today we're going to go ahead and go get a 1973 240Z. Let's go get her in.
Or how bad he is at backing. No, just kidding. You don't care.
So, alright, you've seen it coming down. Now I'll show you the whole thing. So, as you can see, we have a 1973 240Z. Picked this up on Sunday. This is actually our car. We're going to either A, sell it whole, B, part it out, or C, if I can find the money, fix it and restore it. I'm thinking A or B is going to happen first though. But it does have factory SU carbs. Battery box ain't terrible. It's hard to tell from this view, but let me go over in more detail. This could use a good polishing. Quarter panel is pretty much shot. The rockers ain't terrible, but they work. The frame rails and floor pans are most definitely shot.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room,
Floor pans are
you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
I'll load tomorrow. Those 49,000 probably has 100 on it. 49,000. Pretty much everything here. in the center console. I know some guys were asking about that. Center console is in 2 pieces, so that's a no-go for you guys. It does have all the glass. It does have a lot of Bondo in it. Fenders aren't even attached at the bottom again.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from it.
Good news is
What truth?
some of the rust spots down in here ain't too
That
bad.
you are a slave.
In fact, the battery tray don't even have any holes. There's just some surface rust there. So it's a L24 with the looks like the N42 head. There, N42 head. We'll probably throw a battery in it tomorrow and see if she fires. They're just having a weak spark on it, they said, so could be coil, could be points. We shall see.
Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room.
Alright, we're going to do the underneath for this S1 or S30. 1973 280Z or 240Z. Floor pans are quite gone. Believe it or not, the rockers ain't terrible. Floor pans and the frame rails, you can see, are pretty haggard. Right there's a bad spot underneath the battery tray. This side, the internal rocker is a little beat up.
It is the world
Rusted.
that has been pulled over your eyes to
Frame
blind
rail
you from
floor
it.
pans.
What truth? That you are a
Not full of
slave.
Bondo right here. That part is rotten of the rocker. With enough time and money, this one could probably be saved. Here where the frame rail is separated from the floor pan. Again, you can get these parts from Bad Dog Z Parts or Z Findings online. Z Findings is out in Ontario, Canada. Turn some light on here for you.
Do you want to know what it is?
It does look like it has aftermarket
Matrix is
springs
everywhere.
on the struts.
It is all
So
around us.
that might be a plus.
Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window.
Bushings don't look terrible.
You can feel it when you go to work.
The inner fender wells are pretty rough.
When you pay your
The
taxes.
fuel tank is definitely full of rust. You have to clean that out. As the drum brakes singed. Looks like an R180 differential. And it is a 4-speed manual. Oil pan gasket's leaking. But overall, looks like your typical
It is the world
S30.
that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from truth. What truth? That you are a slave